1896, the Supreme Council of the Philippine Secret Society turned revolutionary government Kataastaasang, Kagalanggalangang Katipunan ng mga Anak ng Bayan, KKK, rules that Balangay Mahiganti, a KKK branch in Ermita, Manila, be elevated to the status of a Sangguniang Bayan. Andres Bonifacio de Castro, as the Katipunan's supreme president, discusses the newly elected officers' duties, subsequently explaining why the Katipunan's Supreme Assembly has decided to require all KKK sections to remit fees paid by new members and those promoted to a higher grade to the Supreme Council. The decision comes less than 6 months before the Katipunan transforms itself into a revolutionary government and prematurely launches the valiant Philippine Revolution against Spain under the leadership of Bonifacio, following discovery of the society's existence by the colonial authorities. The KKK was founded by Bonifacio in July 1892 after patriot and reformist José P. Rizal was ordered arrested by the hated Spanish authorities. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.